नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, प्यारे दोस्तों, संगीत प्रेमियों। मैं हूं माधवी बतुला और आज है फ्राइडे। तारीख आपको अच्छी तरह से पता है और वक्त भी अच्छी तरह से पता है, क्योंकि वक्त है शाम एक गाना इंडस टीवी की प्रेजेंटेशन अलोंग विद पीजीए। वीक पर वीक, हफ्ते पर हफ्ते, इसी टाइम पर हर हफ्ते हम मिलते हैं, एक संगीत की महफिल सजा के रखते हैं आपके लिए खास। ये लॉकडाउन का जो समय था, ये कैसे बीत गया, कैसे बीत रहा है, हर की कहानी अलग ही अलग है। जिस तरह से हमारे यहाँ जब पेशकश होती है एवरी वीक। Well, friends, this is Shame Gana, a weekly presentation by Indus TV and PGA. I am Badvi Batula. I am joined this evening by Tina, Ishan, and Om, and of course with our very own Dr. Tushar Patel. I want to say a big hello to everybody out there. I hope everybody is doing fine and safe, healthy eating habits, and of course the mask and gloves. Those are still our must, and we should be taking care of each other and try to help others too. And we are helping you this evening by bringing a musical evening. Let's get to know our participants. Let's start with Ishan. Let's say a big hello to you. Hi, Ishan. How are you?
Hi, I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Oh, we have a very young participant here today. And Ishan, introduce yourself to our viewers. Let them know a little bit about you. And as the program moves forward, we'll know more about you. So what's your basic introduction?
Hi, my name is Ishan Tangirala. I am 12 years old, and I started learning Hindustani classical music since the age of 4.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been about 7.5 years, 7.5, 8 years. Um, uh, I went to the Voice India Kids at the age of 10. I
Uh-huh.
reached the top 10 there, and I had to leave for school.
Uh-huh.
And After that, I went on a 10 city tour with Shan sir,
Uh-huh.
and I also recorded a Bollywood song for Lalit Pandit sir,
Uh-huh.
uh, and I also did a reality show with Kirwani sir. He is
Awesome. Okay.
very. I got the chance to work with him, and for those who don't know, Kirwani sir is also known as Cream in the Bollywood industry, but he is a very renowned and fabulous music director in the South. And he is
Fantastic.
also he is the music director for the entire Bahubali series. So
That's a very sweet way of introducing him. We'll get to know more about Ishan as we move forward. Let's say hello to Om. Om, how are you?
Hi, Madhvi Auntie. I'm phenomenal. How are you?
You're phenomenal, and I like that spirit. Om, let's introduce you to our new viewers. What do you want to tell them about you?
Namaste, all. My name is Om Guha. I am 16 years old and I'm a rising junior in high school. I've been learning Hindustani music, classical music from the age of 8. So I've been learning, I have the same amount of experience as Ishan, almost the same, like 7 to 8 years or so. I've encountered, I've had many achievements in my musical career of 8 years, such as at the age of 11, I went to Saregama Little Champs, and then I got the top 7 there.
Mm-hmm.
Um, then I went to Saregama Bengali, and then I sang in the presence of uh, Kavita Krishnamurthy ji and Kumar Sanu ji.
Mm-hmm.
Then I sang in Saregama Kannada as well. And then that was judged by Rajesh Krishnan ji, Arjun Janya ji. And for those of you who don't know, Rajesh Krishnan is a very famous Kannada singer, and Arjun Janya ji is a famous Kannada music director. So
Okay, that sounds very interesting. Om, we'll get to know more about you and your story and line of journey in the music world, because it's just the beginning, and we've got so much more to hear from you. Let's say a big hello to Tina. Tina, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm all very good, Tina. Come on, introduce yourself to our viewers and let them know who's in the house.
Thank you so much for having me here tonight. It's a total pleasure. I'm Tina, and I was born and raised in Calcutta, land of music. And I did my Sangeet Visharad under the guidance of Pandit A.T. Kanan from ITC Sangeet Research Academy, which is known nationwide. I was very lucky to be a part of that. It's very hard to get in there. And I was a part of Saregama West Bengal growing up when I was 14. I don't want to disclose my age like the other kids. I have a lot of competition here today. I feel threatened.
Yes, it's like, and I see that you're all geared up and ready. We'll get to know a little more about you as we come to
Yes.
you during our rounds. And of course, the man who needs a little bit of introduction, or maybe not, Dr. Tushar Patel. Good evening, Dr. Sahab. Kya haal hai aapke?
Hello, good evening to you all. Thank you, Madhvi ji. Thank you, Indus TV, Vijay Garg ji, and everyone. And welcome, Om, Ishan, and Tina. Looks like I'm sweating already. So it's going to be an exceptional evening with wonderful, talented young singers.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Thank you.
थैंक यू। और अगर कोई मुझसे आज मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन पूछे तो मैं यही कहूंगी कि मैं ओम, ईशान, टीना और डॉक्टर तुषार पटेल को जानती हूँ। यही मेरा आज का इंट्रोडक्शन है। लेट्स गेट द इवनिंग स्टार्टेड एंड वी हैव ईशान ऑल गेट अप विद हिज फर्स्ट सॉन्ग। ईशान, इंट्रोड्यूस योर सॉन्ग एंड द माइक इज ऑल योर्स।
Okay, so the song that I'll be presenting first is one of my favorite songs. I'm not going to disclose the name, but I'll tell you this much, that it is sung originally by M.G. Srikumar and Shreya Ghoshal. It's a duet. I'm going to be attempting to sing it solo. So, you know what? Let me just disclose the name. Mere Dhole Na Sun is the name of the song.
Okay, the mic is yours. Go ahead. Welcome to everybody who's joining us on Facebook Live, on YouTube Live, on Zoom. This is Shame Gana, Indus TV's presentation along with PGA. Ishan is presenting the first song of the evening.
मेरे ढोल ना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोल ना सुन। मेरे ढोल ना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोल ना सुन, मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेंगी, जिंदा रहेंगी होके फना। तरने तुम तरने तुम तरने तुम तरने तुम तान दे रे ना। मेरे ढोल ना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोल ना। साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल। साथी रे मर के भी तुझको चाहेगा दिल, तुझे ही बेचैनियों में पाएगा दिल। मेरी केसों की साए में तेरी राहतों की खुशबू है, तेरे बगैर क्या जीना, मेरे रोम रोम में तू है। मेरी चूड़ियों की खन खन से तेरी सदा आती है, ये दूरियां हमेशा ही नजदीक हमको लाती है। ओ पिया सानिधा निधा मा मग सनि धनि सा गा मा। Maga sani dhani saga maga sani dhani saga ma ga ma ga sani da ma ga ma dhani sani da ma ga ma dhani sa ni dhani dhani sa dhani sa dhani sa dhani sa madani 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 dhani sa dhani sa dhani sa madani 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 sa madani sa madani sa madani sa sani da ma sani da ma sani da ma sani da ma mama ga sa sa ni ni sa sa ni ni da da ni ni sa sa ni ni da da mama ga sa sa ni ni da da ni sa 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 ni da sa 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 ma da sa 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 मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सांसों में तेरी सरगमी है अब रात दिन जिंदगी मेरी तो कुछ ना अब तेरे बिन साथ ही सांसों में तेरे सरगमी है अब रात दिन जिंदगी मेरी तो कुछ ना अब तेरे बिन तेरी धड़कनों की सरगोशी मेरी धड़कनों में बजती है मेरी जागती निगाहों में ख्वाहिश तेरी ही सजती है मेरे ख्याल में हर पल तेरे ख्याल शामिल है लम्हे जुदाइयों वाले मुश्किल बड़े ही मुश्किल है ओ पिया Nisa 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 dhani 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 pada 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 gama pada ni nisa pani nisa pani nisa pani nisa pani nisa gama pada ni da pada nisa gama pada ni da pada nisa gama pada ni da pada bama gama gare dhani dhani sa gama pada nisa 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 dhani 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 gama pada ni da bama gama pada ni da bama gama gare sare sare dhani sa dhani sa sa ga gama ma da dhani da dhani sa ga sani dhani sani dhani da bama gama dhani sa dhani da ma gama gare sani sa gama dhani sani da bama gama gare sani sa gama dhani sani da bama gama gare da dhani ni sa ga ga ni sa ga gama ma sa ga gama ma da ga gama ma da dhani gama da dhani ni sa da dhani ni sa ga আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার
Shabash, Ishan. What a beginning to Shamek Gana or Indus TV's presentation along with PGA Madhvi Batula. Ishan just picked up a song from the film Bhool Bhulaiya. इस फिल्म को कोई नहीं भूल सकता और इस गाने को हर सिंगर की एक पहचान बन गई ये गाना 2007 की फिल्म Sri Kumar and Shreya Ghoshal. Now let's see what Om is doing. Om, you ready?
Yes, Madhvi Auntie. It's an honor to be here again. So before I start my first song, we all know how the coronavirus pandemic has affected all of us indirectly and directly. Millions of people around the world have succumbed to its fangs. And I would like to dedicate 2 lines of a song to the frontline workers who are combating this pandemic. Before I start my song.
Go ahead, Linda.
मधुबन खुशबू देता है सागर सावन देता है जीना उसका जीना है जो औरों को जीवन देता है मधुबन खुशबू देता है. And now I'll be starting my song. The song that I'm going to be singing, the first song, is a song from the movie Kohinoor, which was made in 1960. It's sung by none other than Mohammad Rafi Saab. No one can forget him. And the song's name is Madhuban Mein Radhika Nache.
Go ahead.
मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरिधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे. गिरिधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे. पग में घूंगर बांध के पग में घूंगर बांध के, घूंघटा मुख पर डार के, नैनन में कजरा लगा के रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे. डोलत छम छम कामनी डोलत छम छम कामनी, चमकत जैसे दामनी, चंचल प्यारी छब लागे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरिधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे. मृदंग बाजे तिरकिट धुम ताता, मृदंग बाजे तिरकिट धुम ताता, नतत झूम झूम ततई ततई तत झूम झूम चररर झूम झूम चरर, क्रांत क्रांत क्रांता तत था, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरिधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरिधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे, मधुबन में राधिका. Sari sagari maga mama da bani da sani ri sani da baba bana ri sani da baba baga bada baga bari sa madhuban mein radhika nache re, sa sani da baba bada baga mari sani ri sa sa ga ma da ni da sa, madhuban mein radhika nache re, madhuban mein radhika. Ode na de dirtani dadari dim, dim tanana na de dirtani dadari dim, dim tanana na de dirtani dadari dim, dim tanana na de dirtani dadari. Ode dana de dirtana de tum dir. Na tirigid tum tirigid da da ni na de dirtani da ode na de dirtani da ode na de dirtani dadari dim, dim tanana na de dirtani dadari dim, dim tanana na de dirtani dadari dim, dadari dim, dadari dim. Thank you.
कोहिनूर फिल्म से गाना पिक किया न्यू जर्सी के कोहिनूर ओम गुहा ने. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रेजेंटेशन. ट्रेजेडी किंग एंड ट्रेजेडी क्वीन थे इस फिल्म में दिलीप कुमार एंड मीना कुमारी. कहते हैं कि दिलीप कुमार साहब ने तब तक इतनी फिल्में की थी ट्रेजेडी रिलेटेड दैट ही इट स्टार्टेड अफेक्टिंग हिम. सो उनके डॉक्टर ने उनको सजेस्ट किया कि कुछ लाइट कॉमेडी लाइट हार्टेड मूवीज भी कीजिए. तो कोहिनूर फिल्म इज वन ऑफ देम. नौशाद जी के म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन कंपोजिशन में गाना था. ये बात कहाँ तक सच है कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन सुनने में बहुत कुछ आया है. मेंटल हेल्थ इज ऑलवेज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ आवर वेल बीइंग, सो कीप इट स्ट्रॉन्ग. लेट्स गो टू टीना.
Thank you.
आपके नाम में इतनी खनक है तो आपके गाने में कितनी खनक होगी, आपकी आवाज में कितनी खनक होगी टीना?
Thank you so much.
Let's go ahead with your first song.
So my first song is, it's actually a mashup which I released last year. And it's a mashup of two of my very favorite childhood 80s ke gaane. And sing along with me, all right? Thank you.
गीत और संगीत की दुनिया है और ये शाम संगीत और गीत के नाम है शामे गाना. And the man behind this all is Dr. Tushar Patel. Together we brought this beautiful evening, 13th consecutive week, if I'm right. Dr. Patel, what do you say?
You are right. Today is the 13th Friday in a row. Yes.
Friday, so it's one lucky number this evening. तो आप बताइए कि आज की शाम के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? आप गा भी रहे हैं.
First round I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna listen to these beautiful singers. So welcome everyone again. And let's start the second round with Ishan and yes.
Absolutely. Ji haan, we are giving a warm welcome to all of you who have joined us just now here on YouTube as well as on Zoom. Ishan is set with the second round, his first song in the second round. Ishan?
Yeah, hello. So, the next the song that I'm gonna sing now is sung by one of my favorite singers, Sonu Nigam sir. The song is Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin, and Sonu Nigam sir is just like so, like I completely adore him. He's like one of the best singers to me, and sometimes I even try to like copy him here and there. So he's like he's basically an idol for me. So I'm really excited to be attempting to sing this song.
Go ahead.
अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी जगी धड़कन में जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा अब है सामने इसे छू लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी धूप में जलते हुए तन को छाया पेड़ की मिल गई रूठे बच्चे की हंसी जैसे फुसलाने से फिर खिल गई कुछ ऐसा ही अब महसूस दिल को हो रहा है बरसों के पुराने जख्म पे मरहम लगा सा है कुछ ऐसा रहम इस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा अब है सामने इसे छू लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा सी टूटी पतंग जैसे थी ये जिंदगानी मेरी, आज हो कल हो मेरा ना हो, हर दिन थी कहानी मेरी। एक बंधन नया पीछे से अब मुझको बुलाए, आने वाले कल की क्यों फिक्र मुझको सता जाए। एक ऐसी चुभन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने इसे छू लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा, खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा।
Mellow, gentle, romantic, thoughtful, philosophical, the silvery voice of Sonu Nigam in the original, and of course, beautifully rendition by Ishania. That song was picked from the movie
अग्निपथ।
अग्निपथ। जी हाँ, अतुल अजय के कंपोजिशन में बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से गाया। ईशान, come on, tell me that. So you love singing. So what language do you speak at home?
Mainly I speak English, but
Mm-hmm.
there's always a mix of Hindi, Telugu in our house.
You do,
So
okay.
it's like 3 languages at
So,
this time.
okay, apart from English, what other languages do you read and write?
Not really, any.
Any, but you picked up Hindi very well. Now I look forward to hearing from you on different other languages also. So what's the other song that you picked?
So before I introduce my my second song, I wanted to refresh everyone's memory to that movie that came out a long time back, 2011, Rawan.
Okay.
At that time, I was about like 4 or 5. I was crazy about the movie. It was like my second best, second favorite movie. Well, first favorite was Spider-Man, of course. But Rawan was my second favorite movie, and I just loved watching it. I was crazy about it. And every time I used to watch the movie, I used to come across this one song which I just loved. So the name of the song is Dildara, and here it is.
Okay.
Sorry, wrong track. There.
When the night has come, when the night has come and the land is dark. When the night has come, when the night has come and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light, and the moon is the only light, and the moon is the only light, we will sing.
Oh, Rebara, mere Rebara, oh, तुझसे वास्ता, तू मंजिल है और तू ही उस मंजिल के आगे का रास्ता। ओ रहनुमा, मेरे रहनुमा, ओ तेरे नाम सा अब कोई बेलफ्ज नहीं, पढ़ कर देखें 100 किताबें 100 दफा। दिलदारा दिलदारा ये रत्ती भर का जग सारा, दिलदारा दिलदारा तेरी नजर करम पे सब वारा, दिलदारा दिलदारा तब जीता जब तुझसे हारा, दिलदारा दिलदारा। Darling, darling, stand by me, come on and stand by me, just as long as you stand stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Come on and stand by me, stand by me. Just as long as you stand by me. Sa sa re dha da sa dha da da pa ga pa re ga pa ga re ni re sa ni re sa ni re sa ni re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa re pa ma ga re sa.
The night has come and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light. When the night has come and the land is dark.
Oh मेरे माँ मेरे माँ oh पूरी है दुआ अब कुछ भी तवांद नहीं तुझे पाके लगे मुकम्मल है खुदा दिलदारा दिलदारा ये रत्ती भर का जग सारा दिलदारा दिलदारा तेरे नजर करम पे सब वारा दिलदारा दिलदारा तब जीता जब तुझसे हारा दिलदारा दिलदारा darling darling stand by me come on and stand by me just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Come on, stand by me, stand by me. Just as long as you stand by me.
Awesome. Let me tell you about my memory about this movie, okay? I don't blame you for liking this movie because you were just 4 and 5 at that time, 4 or 5. I think a year later when Sandy came, we had power cut and we had no place to go, so we went to watch this movie out of no other choice. Well, okay, today I accept that the movie was really nice. Thank you, Ishan. This song, Stand By Me, which was composed by Ben King, Vishal and Shekhar took the permission, license and copyright rights to get that tune for Dildara. And I think A.R. Rahman Saab also gave one particular composition here in this movie. Let's go to Om. Om, ready?
Yes, I'm ready. So the next song that I will be singing, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So the next song that I will be singing, it's from a old comedy movie, Orosan. It's a super hit comedy movie made in 1969. Features a lot of R.D. Burman G's first songs or so. But this song that I'm going to sing is a two-voice song. One, it's an extremely difficult song because one voice is South Indian and one voice is North Indian. So then there's also No Time to Breathe because you have to manage two voices with one. And this is one of the most difficult songs I've ever sung in my life. So the song I'm going to sing is Eka Chaturunar.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Le 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 lo te le le lo te le le lo te le yak chatur nar karke singar yak chatur nar karke singar mere man ki dhwar yak khusat jaat hum mart jaat are he chatur nar karke singar parsa ga 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 re re sa da re sa da da pa pa da sa re ga ga re sa da pa ma ga re sa chatur nar karke singar ai dham ayo ai dham tai ai dham 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 rock brum brum ngai ai 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 maha hum nam 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 bala 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 re he bala 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 re he bala 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 ni एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार अपने ही जाल में फंसत जात हम हंसत जात अरे एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार नाच न जाने आंगन तेरा तू क्या जाने क्या है नारी जिस संग लागे मोरे नैना उस पे सारी दुनिया वारी नाच न जाने आंगन तेरा 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 तेरे ओए अरे केड़े ओए यार अरे सीधे हो जा रे सीधे हो जा रे सीधे हो जा बारी चंदनिया बारिश कोरे राम बनाई कैसी जोड़ी करे न छैया ताता थैया ताल पे नाचे लंगड़ी घोड़ी अरे देखी तेरी चतुराई फिर गड़बड़ अरे देखी तेरी चतुराई फिर भड़काया तुझे सुर की समझ नहीं आई तूने कोरी घास ही खाई अरे घोड़े या घोड़ा बोनी घोड़े या गाली दिया अरे देखी तेरी यक चतुर नान अरे देखी तेरी यक चतुर नान अरे देखी तेरी यक चतुर नान एक चतुर नार अयो घोड़े तेरे एक चतुर नार अयो घोड़े तेरे एक चतुर नार अयो घोड़े तेरी अया घोड़े तेरी घोड़ा एक चतुरा घोड़ा एक चतुरा एक घोड़ा ये घोड़ा चतुर क्या रे घोड़ा चतुर एक पेरेना ये घोड़ा बोले या चतुर बोला गा एक चतुर नार करके सिंगार एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार मेरे मन के द्वार या घुसत जात अपने ही चाल में फंसत जात हम मर्द जाता आए चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार करके सिंगार अपने ही चाल मेरे मन के द्वार हम हंसत जात या घुसत जात हम हंसत जात हम मर्द जा सारे गा yeah. Oh, thank you.
Okay, I thought the song was going to continue. I think ओम को ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगी है क्योंकि वो बोलने से पहले इतना मुस्कुरा रहे थे, हंस रहे थे, तो हमें भी देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और बच्चे जब हंसते हैं तो यही सब हम चाहते हैं. इस फिल्म के बारे में आपको तो बहुत कुछ पता होगा ओम, लेकिन एक ट्रिविया आपके लिए है. Do you know the song was inspired by another song? Do you know which movie that song was from?
I don't remember what the movie was. I think the year was like in the 50s or so.
Yes, this was inspired from a song from a film called Jhula, 1941 की फिल्म थी, and that was sung by Ashok Kumar. That is Ashok Kumar's voice, if you can hear.
Oh yeah.
कोशिश की मैंने आपको कुछ सुनाने की, but that's what it is. Come on, let's go to the next song, or you want a break?
I can do next song.
Before you start on, there is one suggestion. If you can close your virtual screen from the back, because your face is getting like your teeth is showing.
Much there.
Yes, perfect.
Yes, now we see the real Om Guha here. They are children; they want to experiment with technology, right?
Okay, so,
go ahead, Om.
So I'm sorry about that. Now the song that I'll be singing, I'm gonna change languages, shift gears now. This is a completely new language to me. because usually in my home, my mom is a Marathi Kannada mix and my dad is a Bengali. So I'm accustomed to Marathi, Kannada, Bengali, and Hindi. But then the thing is that this song, which I'm going to be singing, is in Gujarati. So I'm singing this for the Gujarati audience and Tushar uncle, of course. So this is dedicated to all the Gujarati people who are watching this. So if I mess up on the diction, please forgive me. It's a very new language to me. So without further ado, this song is called Hu Ahmedabad No Ricksha Walo. It's sung by Kishore Kumarji, and the actor is Asrani. He's playing the role of a rickshaw driver.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just start the song. Just having little technical difficulties, but okay. Ahmedabad no ricksha vaado, nausana vaado, number vaado, Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad, batavo chalo. Ahmedabad no ricksha vaado, nausana vaado, number vaado, Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad, batavo chalo. Evi ricksha haku. एवी रिक्शा हाकू हैरत पामे ऊपर वाड़ो अहमदाबाद बतावो चालो अहमदाबाद नो रिक्शा वाड़ो नौसना वाड़ो नंबर वाड़ो अहमदाबाद अहमदाबाद बतावो चालो डियाडे डोआडू डियाडे रिची रोड ना अड्डा जेवी होटल एक वखड़ाए जा गरम फाफड़ा गरम जलेबी नाना मोटा खाए रिची रोड ना अड्डा जेवी होटल एक वखड़ाए जा गरम फाफड़ा गरम जलेबी नाना मोटा खाए अही दाण मां पड़तो के वो उमदा गरम मसालो अहमदाबाद बतावो चालो अहमदाबाद नो रिक्शा वाड़ो नौसन वाड़ो नंबर वाड़ो अहमदाबाद अहमदाबाद बतावो चालो भद्रमहि वीराजे रोड़ा माता भद्रकाली भद्रमहि वीराजे रोड़ा माता भद्रकाली भीड़ जामिता भक्त जनोनी सौना दुख दे ताड़ी माता सौना दुख दे ताड़ी जा मंदिर होए क्या जरूर होए जा मंदिर होए क्या जरूर होए कोई बूट चोरवा वाड़ो अहमदाबाद बतावो चालो अहमदाबाद नो रिक्शा वाड़ो नौसना वाड़ो नंबर वाड़ो अहमदाबाद अहमदाबाद बतावो चालो अहमदाबाद अहमदाबाद Ahmedabad. Thank you.
Thank you, Om. I think I'll give a second for Ishan if he wants to match up that song, a song very popular on rickshaw in Telugu. Do you want to try that? Rim Jim, Hyderabad, the Rickshaw Wala Zindabad. Next time, Ishan, you gotta sing that song from the film Mattilo Manikyam. Okay. Who's getting onto that? Okay, let's get to our next singers. That is Tina here. Tina is like, what's happening? The festivities have already started. Of course, every Friday the festivities Shame Gana. You're on Indus TV presentation of along with PGA. I'm Madhvi Batula. This evening I'm joined by Om, Ishan, and Dr. Tushar Patel. And Ishan, Ishan, can you switch off your mic, please? We have Tina ready for her song. Tina, go ahead.
So this song is from a very recent movie, and I'm sure all of you know it, so I'd really like it. I can't see everybody, but I'm sure you all can hear me, so sing along with me and have a great night.
Go ahead.
you.
Drums, guitars, percussions, everything so wisely used in this particular composition by Ankit Tiwari. This song was in two voices. One was Ankit Tiwari and the other Shreya Ghoshal. And of course, अभी तो हमारी टीना ने हमारे लिए गाया. गाने में एक अलग ही ठहराव है. You know, if you notice this particular song, in the beginning of every stanza, there's a little bit of silence. The way all the instruments are silenced, and then just the voice picks up. Beautiful. Tina, sing. ऐसे लोग कहते हैं आपको? टीना सिंह.
मैं मारती हूँ अपने.
अच्छा, ये बताइए कि आपने कब से गाना शुरू किया और आपकी जो पहली याद है कि the first time you ever sang in front of a crowd.
So growing up, I was my mother put me in dance classes, and I think I was 4 when I started these dance classes, which used to be on Mondays and Fridays from 6 to 7:30, half an hour each for Bharatnatyam, Kathak, and Odissi. And of course, I mean, my mom was a choreographer herself and very artistic, painting and all that. So I did have some kind of art in me, and I enjoyed dancing, and I kept doing it, had some sense of rhythm till I was 10. And I, of course, you know, while you're dancing, you're singing as well. So I used to sing in the background. And then my mom is not a singer, or nor does she have a lot of sense of music, but she would hear from others that, oh, she has a great voice, you should train her professionally. And that's where my journey began at the age of 10. And I started learning classical, and around the age of 15, I got admission in ITC, Sangeet Research Academy, and, you know, things picked up from there, and the TV shows and judging college shows and all of that. And then I moved here. So my career was not, it was very limited, but of course I continued here. I continued my passion, and I went back last year to do this single, which was very well produced. If you haven't watched it, please watch Bepana by Tina, myself, and Arko, who is also a great singer in Bollywood, who has sung and composed beautiful songs, one of which is Tu Nazm Nazm Samere, and a lot of different songs he's done. So that was a big, I think one of my biggest experience with this video. I'll be playing it in the background.
Okay. And you're going with your second pick now, right?
Yes. So this is my original.
Let's go ahead.
जरा सा मेरी धड़कने तो सुन, ये है गा रही बस तेरी ही धुन. जरा सा मेरी धड़कने तो सुन, ये है गा रही बस तेरी ही धुन. चेहरा चाहत बेपना बेपना, तुमसे बेपना बेपना. दबी दबी इस दिल की ये फरमाइशें, लबों से इन लम्हों में छूने जरा, सांसों से गुजर के मुझ में खो जा जरा, तुझ में मैं हो जाऊं यूं फना. दूरियां फासिले अब ये दरमियां है, बेवफा जहां लिखे दास्तां, आसमां
रास्ता मुसाफिर हूँ मैं है संग मेरे तेरे इश्क का कारवां साहिल मेरे मैं कश्ती बनूं तूफानों से लड़ूं इमारत मेरी मैं जाहिर बनूं तेरे दिल में बसूं खामोशियां कर रही इल्तिजा वादा रहा मैं फिर मिलूंगा एक दफा
बस तेरा चेहरा है चाहत बेपना बेपना तुमसे बेपना बेपना
Thank you
The
so
silky
much.
sensuous
I'd like to
voice
add
of Tina
before-
Singh. What a beautiful, beautiful song. And बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से आपने गाया and congratulations on that. And many more such achievements
Thank
and albums you're looking forward from you. Tushar ji,
Thank you so
गाने
much.
का
I'd like to
गाने के
add,
मौके के बारे में मुझे पता
before-
नहीं. Sorry, go ahead. Tina,
I
you saying
just wanted
something?
to add the lyrics of this. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Yeah.
So I just wanted to add the song, the lyrics, the story, and the direction is all by my younger sister who lives in Mumbai and she works in the film industry. So it was all her concept and everything, and I was the face to it. So thank you, Dimple.
And what is your sister's name?
Dimple.
Dimple, hi.
Kandaria.
That was great work, great work.
Thank
अच्छा
you so
तुषार जी
much.
बताइए आपको गाने का मौका दीजिए कि बात करने का
No, so we'll start the last round, and I will be singing. I have a surprise also this time.
Okay, it's not my birthday, okay?
Yes.
That would be fun. Okay, Ishan, what do you say? You ready?
Well, yep, I'm ready.
Okay, Ishan, before you start the song, if I wake you up at sometime when you're sound asleep and I say one song right now, Ishan, which is the first song that comes to your mind?
It depends on like what time it is.
It is midnight 2 a.m.
Well, the
Okay,
song
I want-
would be "Please Let Me Sleep."
Okay, see, that's what I wanted to hear. Go ahead with the song that you picked now.
The song that I will be singing as my last song is a Gujarati song, and as Madhavi Auntie said earlier, she wants to hear me sing in different languages. So this is one of the different languages that I sing in Gujarati, and I also sing in Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, English, Hindi. So this song is basically like a dance song. So all my Gujarati friends out there, don't refrain yourself from doing garba.
These children, they're all so geared up and so ready. Ishan, the mic is yours. Go ahead, beta.
हो आदि गई रात अने भूलो बड़ी बात प्रेमनी यहाँ मौसम छ अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी यहाँ मौसम छ हो आवी गई रात अने भूलो बड़ी बात प्रेमनी यहाँ मौसम छ अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ चांदनिया मौसम चेंज मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां चौगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारी बात रे हाँ चौगाड़ा तारा ओ छबीला तारा ओ रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारी बात रे हाँ चौगाड़ा तारा ओ छबीला तारा ओ रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारी बात रे छुप छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूँ सारी सारी रात छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू करे सारी रात मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां चौगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारी बात रे हाँ चौगाड़ा तारा ओ छबीला तारा ओ रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारी बात रे हाँ चौगाड़ा तारा ओ छबीला तारा ओ रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारी बात रे चौगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारा चौगाड़ा तारा ओ छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारा चौगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारा चौगाड़ा तारा ओ छबीला तारा ओ रंगीला तारा रंग तेरे जुए तारा
तुषार अंकल तो बहुत खुश हैं तुषार जी इस साल गरबा का पता नहीं नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेशंस का पता नहीं लेकिन सिंगर्स तो सब तैयार है
इस बार वर्चुअली होगा
virtually होगा अच्छा ठीक है हम तैयार हैं सब डांसर्स भी रेडी हैं और सिंगर्स भी तैयार हैं थैंक यू सो मच ईशान वेरी वेल sung let's go to Om
It's my honor.
Okay, so the next song that I'll be singing, it's from a very popular movie from the 70s. As you've noticed, I have a common trend that I always sing songs in like the 60s and the 70s. I think you've noticed that. Sometimes I go to the 80s or the 90s, but I never go above the 90s, honestly. So the song that I'll be singing is from the movie Bombay to Goa. It's a peppy romantic number. So basically, Amitabh Bachchan is trying to woo Aruna Irani into loving him, but it's in such a funny way, in such a not only is it funny, but it's also romantic at the same time. So the name of this song is Dekha Na Hai Re Sochana. It's a very upbeat song. For a romantic song, it's pretty upbeat. So without further ado, this is the song. Okay. Hey, देखा ना हाय रे सोचाना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान देखा ना हाय रे सोचाना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान अरे यूं कुकुड़ू कुकू डोले 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 मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे काम कोई कर जाएंगे मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारों कहाँ मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे काम कोई कर जाएंगे मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारों कहाँ अरे कुकुड़ू कुकू हे देखा ना हाय रे सोचा ना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान कातिल है कौन कहा नहीं जाए छुप भी तो रहा नहीं जाए बुलबुल है कौन कौन सही याद कुछ तो कहो रे मेरी जान कातिल है कौन कहा नहीं जाए छुप भी तो रहा नहीं जाए बुलबुल है कौन कौन सही याद कुछ तो कहो रे मेरी जान अरे कुकुड़ू कुकू हे देखा ना हाय रे सोचा ना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान घर से चले खाके कसम छोड़ेंगे पीछा न हम सर पे कफन बांधे हुए आया दीवाना यहाँ घर से चले खाके कसम छोड़ेंगे पीछा न हम सर पे कफन बांधे हुए आया दीवाना यहाँ अरे हे देखा ना हाय रे सोचा ना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान देखा ना हाय रे सोचा ना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान थैंक यू
Woo! This movie, I mean, there's so much to talk about this movie. Of course, when you watch this movie, maybe when your mummy, papa will definitely tell you more details. This movie is filled with trivia and any quiz contest that anybody participates regarding Hindi film industry, the questions do come up from this particular movie. कहते हैं confirmed news है माधवी के पास पता नहीं लेकिन आज कहने में क्या जाता है कि the role of Ravi Kumar, that's Amitabh Bachchan's role, was offered to the ex-prime minister late Shri Rajiv Gandhi ji and he refused and then it's went to Amitabh Bachchan also. And this is the only movie where Shatrughan Sinha played the villain's role in which the combination is Amitabh and Shatrughan. So lots of stories about this movie, but we'll keep it for some other time as we are running short of time. But thank you so much for that beautiful rendition. Peppy as you promised. Tina?
Thank you.
Tina
John
Singh,
and
Tina
all
Singh.
you guys were fantastic. Keep up the good work. Keep singing. Keep your passion alive. get to it. Achieve your dreams, and I hope everything that you wish for, you get it. You guys were awesome.
Tina, what's your pick?
So am I going on to my next song, my last song?
Yes, yes, you
Okay.
are.
Here we go. Again, it's a beautiful song from the 80s, but I'm going to be singing the remix.
दो लफ्ज की है बातें कई हैं क्यों दरमिया पे रुकी रुकी कह भी न पाए रह भी न पाए क्यों बेवजह है ये बेबसी तुम में हम है तुम में तुम हो तुमसे हम है हमसे तुम हो किस्मतों से मिलते हैं दो दिल यहाँ हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में खुशनसीब है वो जिनको है मिली ये बहार जिंदगी में हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में प्यार ना हो तो जिंदगी क्या है यार ना हो तो बंदगी क्या है प्यार ना हो तो जिंदगी क्या है यार ना हो तो बंदगी क्या है तुझसे ही हर खुशी है तेरे दम से आशिकी है जान ले मिल जाए हम जो सब कुछ सही है फिर इस तरह क्यों है अजनबी तुम में हम है तुम में तुम हो तुमसे हम है हमसे तुम हो किस्मतों से मिलते हैं दो हाँ, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में खुशनसीब है वो जिनको है मिली ये बहार जिंदगी में हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में
Thank you.
थैंक यू टीना। जानबाज फिल्म में ये गाना पहले यूज किया गया था, उसके बाद रिमिक्स वर्जन इन द फिल्म बॉस, और हम अभी हमारे लिए गाया टीना ने। और ये वक्त कैसे बीतता जा रहा है हमें पता नहीं है, लेकिन जो भी है जब बिजी होते हैं और एंजॉय कर रहे होते हैं वक्त का पता ही नहीं चलता। और इसके बारे में हमारे डॉक्टर साहब क्या कहते हैं, हम उनसे भी सुन लें।
Absolutely wonderful evening. Thank you, all three of you. Amazing singers. Keep it up, guys. So,
तो
Madhvi,
आप तैयार हैं?
Madhvi ji, every week we're trying to connect Shame Gana with Bollywood artist or a musician or a singer in Hindi film. So yesterday we celebrated birthday of Madan Mohan ji, and many people knows him well, but I think young generation probably may not know this melodious and one of the skilled music directors of Bollywood. He died at the age of 50, but I think he became an icon of 50s, 60s, and 70s song. But I'm singing a song from 2004. After his death, his son produced this music in movie Veer Zara.
तो आपने कहा सरप्राइज है, ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया सरप्राइज है।
Yes, and I think you missed it. So I'm here to back you up.
Okay, go ahead.
जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। कैसी सरहदें, कैसी मजबूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। तुम छुपा ना सकोगी मैं वो राज हूँ, तुम भुला ना सकोगी वो अंदाज हूँ। गूंजता हूँ जो दिल में तो है राह क्यों, मैं तुम्हारे ही दिल की तो आवाज हूँ। सुन सको तो सुनो धड़कनों की ज़बां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। कैसी सरहदें, कैसी मजबूरियाँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। मैं ही मैं अब तुम्हारे ख्यालों में हूँ, मैं जवाबों में हूँ, मैं सवालों में हूँ। मैं तुम्हारे हर एक ख्वाब में हूँ बसा, मैं तुम्हारी नजर के उजालों में हूँ। देखती हो मुझे, देखती हो जहाँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। कैसी सरहदें, कैसी मजबूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ,
यहाँ हूँ यहाँ. Thank you.
The cinematic composition of Madan Mohan Sarji and of course the larger than life movies of Yash Chopra banners. That song from the film Veer Zara और उदित नारायण का क्या कहना है इस गाने के बारे में और जिस तरह से उन्होंने गाया. I think I can go on and on because everybody knows what a big Madan Mohan Saab fan I am. And thank you so much, Dr. Tushar Patel, for giving a beautiful, beautiful finale for this evening Shame Gana. I thank all our participants, our viewers, our supporters of this program week after week, 13th week Shame Gana in this TV ka presentation along with PGA. I am Madhvi Patula. Before signing off, I would just take few words, final words from all our participants this evening, starting with Ishan.
Yeah, so first of all, that was a lovely song, Dr. Tushar Patel, sir. And I just want to thank Tushar Patel, sir, and Madhavi ji and Indus TV for this lovely opportunity. It's so good to be here on Shame Gana. And I would like to take a moment to thank all the frontline workers who are risking their lives to save ours, who are making sure that we are protected from this deadly virus, who are making sure that there's some kind of remedy for this and we are able to get through this calamity soon. And hopefully we can defeat this virus as soon as possible. And I hope everyone enjoyed.
We did enjoy, Ishan. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you again. Om?
To begin with, I would like to thank Indus TV for this honorable and exquisite opportunity. I have experienced this unique video chat conference, but this is the second time I've experienced it, and I've gotten used to it mostly. To add on, I would like to thank all the coronavirus frontline workers for all their efforts, their perseverance, their night shifts and all. And yeah, so basically, whatever I say after this performance, stay home, stay safe, and wash your hands. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Tina?
Thank you so much, both of you, for giving me this opportunity. You both were very wonderful people, and Tusharji, you sang very well. I mean, I've only heard, but I got a chance to listen to you live today, so it was amazing. And Madhvi, you're really phenomenal as well. I mean, I haven't met you. I think we have to meet up soon. And these other two kiddos, they're doing fantastic. Just keep going, you know. And this was indeed a great way for me to end my lockdown because I go back to work starting Monday. So, so this was very, very nice, and I thoroughly enjoyed. And I hope, and I want to thank all the viewers who were watching us today. And if you have missed it, you know, we have links to share with you. And once again, thank you both of you, and good luck with everything. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Tusharji?
Thank you everyone for making this wonderful evening, 13th week. We'll be back next Friday. Om, Ishan, Tina, you were amazing. Keep singing, keep spreading the love of music, and hope to see you sometime soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Mr.
much.
Uncle. It
Good
was
night.
a great opportunity.
Good
Thank you
night.
so much for calling me back here again.
Thank you. Thank you. We all look forward to seeing you again. Tusharji Hamesha talks about that, dedication and my effort, and then, but aaj main I think wo le hi leti hu because it's been 3 consecutive nights I've not slept and 14 hours of driving. I'm still taking time out to do the show today, and it was an absolute delight to be watching these participants sing and the talk about all their passion and their contribution towards what they plan to do next. And thank you once again, Tusharji, Indus TV and PGA. This is Madhvi signing off. Good night. Stay safe.